The West Paw Toppl treat toy for dogs. A lot of amazing dog trainers love it. So, is it good? Should you get one? It is Jose here from Train Me Please. Let's go. The Toppl is made for moderate chewers. It has a large opening at the top, a small side opening, and those inner teeth to keep the treats in place a little longer. You can fill it up with treats, kibble, wet food, nut butters, cheese, mashed banana, and a whole heap of super cool recipes. With the wet food, you can always freeze it for an added challenge. There's a variety of colors and sizes available, and I'll put them on the screen now. You can also connect different sized Toppls and even different kinds of puzzle treat toys from the same brand. It is made with zero waste and non-toxic, recyclable Zogoflex material, and it is dishwasher safe. West Paw has a recycling program for it, which I really commend. Additionally, there is a product guarantee that gives you a few options if you are not satisfied with the product. As with everything, you need to choose enrichment toys that are appropriate for your dog. I'll share the brand's statement here. Feel free to pause the screen to read it in full. The idea with treat-dispensing puzzle toys is to stimulate the dog's brain, to keep them occupied, and to offer an opportunity with better behavioral outcomes than eating from a bowl. So, do I like it and recommend it? You bet I do. I think you will be happy with this product. I will leave a referral link in the description below which will help out this channel and its mission at no extra cost to you. Also, could I please ask that you click the like button down below so that other people can find this video? Cute photo, as a thanks. Next, watch this one here. I think you will like it. Obrigado, pessoal. Ciao.